Hello and welcome to another episode of The Power of Small. Today we're going to talk about small things that matter. Now push down a little more. Today we're celebrating World Inventors Day. And it's not just about the people who've developed hundreds and hundreds of patents that you see in the news. It's all about science and technology being encouraged in our community as a whole. Celebrating the joy of inventing, of learning, of building things that were never built before, of solving problems that were never solved before. And whether we're talking about all kinds of different things, from new kinds of hydrofoil boats that use very little power, to new kinds of ozone generation or chemical conversion to break down waste, or new types of solar power, or clean water technology, or new types of light technology, where we might look at reinventing the light bulb so that we keep the bulb as a fixture and we only replace this one little part that we can readily recycle. Regardless of your inspiration, it's important that we all try to make a difference. No, you gotta push down. Many of the key inventors are the small people around us, our kids, our nephews, and the children. Good job. And those are the ones we really need to encourage. When I was a young man, I started learning about science and technology with my father when I was barely 4 years old. I was involved in the Canada-wide Science Fair just a few short years later, and now I have over 600 patents in a wide range of different technologies. But this isn't really just about me, it's about my mentors. My mentors took time when I was a very young man to teach me. I had an interest and they fueled that enthusiasm. Regardless of the invention, there are so many ideas waiting to be discovered.
The bottle smaller?
Embrace it, enjoy it, go out and try to invent. But more importantly, encourage others to invent, encourage young people. Young people need mentorship. I challenge you to go out and take your skills and help teach the next generation.
So this is a hydrogen-filled balloon, which took probably about 30 minutes to fill. And now it flies. Whee!
Let go.
Goes really high.